Incident types in Dynamics 365 field service. Incident types defines what sort of expectations they have while performing a work order. Incident types basically acts as templates for work orders that can be easily generated and repeated, which saves huge amount of time for organizations while creating a new work orders. Let's consider a scenario where the incident type is used in field service. Incident type is like normally we can consider it as air conditioner repair. This is normally a job name. Services air conditioner repair labor. It defines billable hours of the labor consumed while performing this job. Service task we can consider like cleaning up the filters, filling up the gas. This defines what are the tasks that field technicians needs to perform. Now navigate to field service app settings, and in the settings area under the work order sections click on incident types. You can observe by default there will be few incident types listed under active incident types view. If you want to create a new incident type, click on the new button. Under the general tab, provide the name of the incident type. And now under details tab, provide the value in work order type. That means whenever we set a default work order type, here we can pre-populate the same work order type when this incident type is entered as the primary incident type. Estimated duration. It is calculated as the sum of estimates on each service task associated to the incident type. Copy incident type items on agreement. Incident types can also be essentially used on agreements as well as work orders. If it is enabled as yes, then products and services will be copied to this agreement. For now, I will set it as no. Next, add products to the product tab. If we know what sort of parts or items are needed to fix or solve the issue, we will add an incident type product here. For this, select new incident type product. Provide the necessary information like name, unit, and quantity. Enter a quantity, which is the number of work order products that will be added to the work order when this incident is added. Here, select the product name, which will have the lookup of all the products in the CRM, and click on Save. And next, we will associate services to incident type, where it will have list of all services that are needed to be completed for this type of incident and the duration. These services are generally what you would typically bill a customer for. Click on New Incident Type Service button. Provide the necessary information like name, and duration. Enter the duration to represent the service time a technician consumed while performing a job. The only difference between the incident type products and service is that instead of quantity, here we enter duration and select the service. And now we will add service task where the technician should perform for this type of incident. Technician work from these service tasks. Provide the details like name, estimated duration to complete the task, line order. It represents the sequence in which this service task should be performed while a technician carries out the work. And select the task type. It is the name of the service task with an estimated duration of how long the task will take. And save. Finally, we have a characteristics tab where you can add a list of specific skills that may be needed to perform by field technician or engineer to be able to conduct this service. Select the characteristic from the lookup or create a new one. For now, I will select the existing one. This is used in the scheduling assistant where you can filter available resources based on the skills associated with the work order. Now, we will see how incident types are associated to a work order. Whether work orders are created from a case or directly from the work order entity in field service, you will find a field on the work order page called primary incident type. When an incident type is applied to a work order, the work order will inherit the following from the incident type record we created earlier. Products. This is the product tab on the work order form showing all the products that were automatically brought into the work order by selecting an incident type. And this is the services tab on the work order form showing all the services that were automatically brought into work order by selecting an incident type. And this is the service task tab on the work order form showing all the service tasks. And next is the characteristics tab where it shows all the characteristics that were automatically brought into the work order by selecting an incident type. Thanks for watching this video.